public question.
You respond. There are accusations against you by the father of Disha Salian. You manipulated the Disha Salian case.
I have no comments. I have no comments.
He is India's one of the most controversial policemen with a tainted reputation. Parambir Singh has tried to be in the limelight. While in office, he was close to Bollywood, close to businessmen, and enjoyed a reputation of overseeing open extortion in India's financial capital, Mumbai. From being named in the NIA's charge sheets and under the federal agency's radar, from tussles with the Enforcement Directorate to being declared an absconder by the Indian courts in 2021. Somehow, Parambir Singh managed to slip through the ropes given his alleged political links. But karma seems to have finally caught up with him. This time, he has been sacked by Mumbai's one of the top hospital, Leelavati, from the position of executive director over allegations of intimidation and extortion.
Republic was the very first channel to break this news that Leelavati hospitals, the internal disputes are much way more deeper than it is what we can see. And talking about Parambir Singh used to threaten and extort doctors at Leelavati hospital. This was also first breaked on Republic. So now, while digging deep in this very matter, very shocking facts have come to the fore, and that facts are that he used to consume alcohol when he was working here, and in his chamber he used to also doze off after consuming alcohol.
आपको पता है कि लीलावती हॉस्पिटल जो है मुंबई का, पूरे मुंबई में, पूरे महाराष्ट्र में बड़ा प्रेस्टिजियस हॉस्पिटल करके इसको माना जाता है. जो जो चीज़ें यहाँ पे घटी उसके बारे में मालूमात दिया, लेकिन ठीक है. उसके बाद में सस्पेंड करने के बाद में अभी तो रिटायर हो गए. रिटायर होने के बाद में लीलावती हॉस्पिटल में हमने सुना था वहाँ पे डायरेक्टर करके ज्वाइन हुए. जब लीलावती हॉस्पिटल में ज्वाइन हुए हमको ताज्जुब लगा, काफ़ी लोगों को ताज्जुब लगा कि इतना टेंटेड पुलिस ऑफिसर जिसने इतना बड़ा कांड मुंबई में किया एनटीए के सामने, उसको लीलावती ने कैसे वहाँ पे डायरेक्टर बनाया. लेकिन आज उनको खामियाजा उसका भुगतना पड़ रहा है. उन्होंने देख लिया क्या होता क्या नहीं. तो
Leelavati, one of Mumbai's premier healthcare institution, has long been an abode for city's elite, from Bollywood to the corridors of power whenever the crisis strikes. So for a man with a malign history like that of Parambir to be inducted as the executive director of a health institution whose clients wield such high influence, this raises serious questions. From trustees to senior doctors at Leelavati, what Republic gathered was completely staggering.
Here is an email which clearly states to the Board of Trustees that on that said day of 12th January, the meeting, after the meeting, those minutes have been ratified by the Board of Trustees. The proof is right in front of you. So now, is it going to be that Mr. Parambir Singh is telling the truth and 10 trustees are liars? I mean, it's coming to that the 10 trustees which form the majority of the Board of Trustees, they happen to be sitting to be liars, and Mr. Parambir Singh, who has signed the forged and fabricated minutes made by Rajesh Mehta, seems to be the gospel truth. Does this make any sense to you?
Before 2 to 3 months, he has called more than 20 to 25 junior doctors who are working with Leelavati Hospital, and one by one he has asked and alluring the doctors that we will make you the consultant directly if you provide me around 20-25 lakhs. So he has one-to-one meeting with all of them, and he was trying to extort and bribe the doctors. But once we come to know this, once we had 5 to 7 minutes brief, then we come out of the office, then we all has complained to our CEO, Dr. Neeraj Utmani, as well as to our board of trustees. So further they have look out on these things. But once we come to know during such a period of time before 2 to 3 days, then we have gathered some kind of strength to tell about our story also from our side.
Born in Chandigarh in 1964, Parambir Singh graduated from Punjab University in 1983 before joining the Indian Police Service in 1988. The Malegaon Blast 2008 case exposed Parambir Singh. Here Pragya Thakur described while speaking to Republic's editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami claims how she endured torture at the hands of then senior ATS officer Parambir Singh.
इतना मारा और मारने पर भी इसको संतुष्टि नहीं हुई परमबीर सिंह को, और इस परमबीर सिंह ने एक इंस्पेक्टर थी और एक इंस्पेक्टर था, इनके बेल्ट छीने और छीन करके कहा कि तुम लोगों में ताकत नहीं है, मुझे लाओ, इसको तो मैं देखता हूं, और गालियों के साथ, इसको साली के साथ और तमाम गालियां देते हुए इसको तो मैं देखता हूं, और जितनी इनमें ताकत थी वो पूरी ताकत इन्होंने मेरे ऊपर बरसा दी बेल्टों को मारते हुए। और इस व्यक्ति को हम यदि कोई भी उपमा दें वो छोटी होगी, राक्षस भी कहे तो भी छोटा होगा, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही निम्न स्तर का व्यक्ति है।
What are you trying to hide? Why did you not appear before the court during trial? Did you work to serve political agenda? Did you plant evidence to frame innocent? Mr. Parambir Singh, here is the Mr. Parambir Singh, and he is not responding any answer of my question.
By the late 2010s, Singh was already a high-profile officer known for handling several major cases. Parambir was tasked with targeting Republic TV. It was him who planted fake cases on Republic along with Sachin Waze, the same cases that would go on to be proven false.
BARC ने जो अपनी एनालिटिकल रिपोर्ट सबमिट की, BARC ने जो अपनी एनालिटिकल रिपोर्ट सबमिट की है, उसमें जो नाम सामने आया है वो है रिपब्लिक टेलीविजन का, जिसमें के सस्पिशन स्ट्रेंड्स TRP के देखे गए।
Are you ashamed of the fact?
For years, Republic exposed Parambir, questioning one of the most tainted officer India has ever seen.
And in the course of doing all this, we have exposed a man with a motive called Parambir Singh, who unfortunately happens to be the Mumbai Police Commissioner. But today, the ultimate evidence is with me. An email from the Broadcast Audience Research Council, the industry body BARC, the rating agency, which confirms that there is no evidence, no facts, no malpractice found against the Republic Media Network or the company that owns it, ARG Outlier Media Private Limited. Viewers, the rating agency has totally demolished Parambir Singh's lie today.
Under his watch, policemen murdered witnesses, and extortion was a daily affair.
मेरी कंप्लेंट्स में ये बताया गया है कि मिस्टर परमवीर सिंह ने किस तरह 2018 में झूठा MCOC का केस मुझ पर दर्ज किया और किस तरह करोड़ की उगाई उन्होंने पूरे मुझसे, मेरे फ्रेंड से, मेरी फैमिली से, मेरे जो भी टच में थे, जो भी बड़े बड़े लोग थे, बॉलीवुड फ्रेंड्स है मेरे, आइदर बिल्डर्स हो या ज्वेलर्स हो, उनको बुला के कैसे उसने उगाई की थी.
But it was his dramatic 2021 showdown with the state government that thrust him back into the national spotlight. The controversy erupted after an SUV loaded with 20 gelatin sticks was discovered on Carmichael Road in South Mumbai, parked near the residence of the business tycoon Mukesh Ambani, triggering a massive security scare. Now here's what former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh recalled regarding the case to Republic.
This was very shocking to Maharashtra as well as to whole of India. कि जो मुंबई का पुलिस कमिश्नर है वही उसका मास्टरमाइंड एंटीलिया केस का है. इसकी जब बात सामने आई, ATS ने जो इंक्वायरी का हमको रिपोर्ट दिया, उसके बाद में एज ए होम मिनिस्टर, मैंने तो उनकी पहले ट्रांसफ़र किया एक साइड पोस्ट पे, और ये सस्पेंड करने के बाद में, उसको ट्रांसफ़र करने के बाद में परमवीर को, उसने मेरे ऊपर जो एलिगेशन किया, फॉल्स एलिगेशन किया, 100 करोड़ का उसने एलिगेशन मेरे ऊपर किया.
But the charge sheet filed by the National Investigation Agency against Sachin, Vaze and others have revealed a sensational plot. Republic TV is the only channel to have accessed the entire charge sheet that reveals the creation of the Jaish-ul-Hind alibi used by Sachin Vaze. It makes a mention of a cyber expert who had a one-on-one meeting with the former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh.
Evidence isn't TRP scam. Are you ashamed of it? Are you sorry for it?
And now Parambir's unyielding effort to malign Republic's authenticity and efforts that were rendered useless.
Evidence isn't TRP scam. Are you ashamed of it? Are you sorry for it? Who were your political bosses? Who gave you orders to do that? You being on a constitutional post. You were an IPS officer. What statement? Are you sorry for it? Mr. Parambir Singh, are you ashamed of the fact that Enforcement Directorate has...
But here, Arnab and his team exposed Parambir in 13 parts after the final TRP report was released. In all fake cases against Republic Media Network, Parambir Singh was exposed and Republic stood vindicated. Several cases, several chases, yet nothing satiates Parambir Singh's appetite for greed and hunger for power. Once again, he is marred in a new case. A fresh slap in the face, but will he face the law?